As you saw, the left side is not lighting up like it's supposed to when you hit the brakes where the right side is. That's because I made a mistake. The mistake was I went with a different brand. You've probably seen them. That's the brand right there. And I didn't go with the brand I know. And that's been, you know, sending me stuff all the time. I actually bought these. They didn't send me these. And I should have just went with Exito in the first place. I put these in about a year ago, and they're already bad. So we're going with the trusted ones that I know have been working, don't go out as fast. And I'm gonna go with the Exito brand. So this is also a red bulb, even though it doesn't have red like accents like this one. This is supposed to be a red bulb, and yeah, hopefully it's you know, gonna last longer. But like I said, I've had no issues with Exito, so, and should have went with them in the first place. That's my fault. Let me make sure that's good. Good. That actually fits better too. If you saw, I had to take off electrical tape because these kept popping off because they didn't sit well in there. So that's another negative about this, which really annoyed me, were these, like, that's in there. That's not coming. I don't need electrical tape for that. So that's fantastic. That just saves me way more time. Yeah, they actually fell out. One, because two of these are LEDs, the reverse and brake light are LEDs. And I think it's the same brand on both. I don't think I did, which is my fault. I'm the idiot for not doing Exito in both. That's my bad. I apologize, Exito. Yeah, they just don't sit well, where the Exito ones right there is proof that it's already better by significantly just sitting in the socket properly. Crazy. I don't know, like, I truly do not remember. Maybe I couldn't find a bulb from Exito or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what the reasoning was. But like these are significant, like these are not coming out. These are in there. Oh, let's make sure. Perfect. I'm not sponsored by Exito, so they don't pay me or anything like that. Like I said, I bought these with my own money. I got them. They were cheap, and yeah, I just didn't feel like bothering them for bulbs for this, especially considering they were cheap. So again, I really don't know why I didn't go with them in the first place, because almost every other bulb I'm using is Exito. So really weird I did that, but regardless, it's fixed now. No more having that issue. Just a quick fix, but I definitely do recommend them. I use them in every vehicle that I have. So the Honda, the 4Runner, the 240 and the Talon will also be running a bunch of, they already have some LED swaps over from Exito, but later on when I'm being able to modify those, will run it too. But yeah, just if you're looking for LED bulbs, check out Exito. I'll leave the link in the description and in a pinned comment.
I'm gonna go hit on the white girl to her dad. Yeah. is, there he is, there he is, there he is. He's coming on you with
Are you getting ready to film some videos?
you get blocked. Turn it around.
They really matured the style, and I like it.